Hello and welcome to today's video on how to invest in 2023. Investing is a great way to grow your wealth and prepare for the future, but it can also be overwhelming and confusing, especially for those new to the game. In this video, we'll give you the basics on how to get started and what you need to know to make informed investment decisions in 2023. Determine your financial goals. The first step in investing is to determine what you are trying to achieve. Are you saving for a specific goal, like buying a house or retiring? Or are you looking to grow your wealth over the long term? Knowing your goals will help guide your investment choices. Assess your risk tolerance. Different investments come with different levels of risk. It's important to understand your risk tolerance and choose investments that align with your personal comfort level. For example, if you're risk averse, you may want to consider investing in lower risk options like bonds. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is key to reducing risk in your portfolio. This means spreading your investments across multiple asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, commodities, and cash. This helps to balance out your portfolio and reduce the impact of any one investment on your overall portfolio. Do your research. Before making an investment, it's important to thoroughly research the company, the industry, and the market conditions. Read financial statements, news articles, and analyst reports to gain a better understanding of the investment you're considering. Consider working with a financial advisor. If you're new to investing or feel overwhelmed, a financial advisor can help you make a personalized investment plan that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. In conclusion, investing in 2023 can be a great way to grow your wealth and prepare for the future. By following these basic steps and doing your due diligence, you can make informed investment decisions and reach your financial goals. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe for more great content.